Hello everyone, my name is Arya from 10D, and today I will present about my physics project, which is the physics of movies. In this project, I'll choose a movie and a scene to review about the physics concepts in it. So the movie that I choose is Demon Slayer, the Demon Slayer anime, and then the chosen scenes that I chose is the Zenitsu versus Spider-Demon scene. For the description of the scene, Zenitsu is going through Mount Natagumo in search of Nezuko. He happened to stumble upon a small house suspended by spider threads. There, he saw a human-headed spider demon. And for the outcomes and concepts that I will cover in this video is Newton's law of motion, linear momentum, work, energy, and power, and linear motion. And for my hypothesis, if Zenitsu dashes and kills the spider demon at the speed of 172.1 km per hour, then it's clearly unrealistic, since no human can go that fast in seconds. So the first one is linear motion. We must find the acceleration of Zenitsu when he dashed toward the spider demon. So for the given, the time Zenitsu takes to dash toward the spider demon is 1.25 seconds. The starting velocity is 0, and the final velocity is 172.1 km per hour, or we can write it as 47.805 meters per second. And then we calculate for acceleration. We know that the formula of acceleration is v1 minus v0 over time. So we got 47.805 minus 0 over 1.25. So we got the result of 38.244 meters per second square. For the Newton's law of motion, we must find the force that needs to take to jump that high. So we know that the given is that the mass of Zenitsu is 58 kilogram and the acceleration is 38.244 meters per second. Then to solve for force, we know that the formula is the mass times acceleration. So 58 times 38.244 is 2,218.152 newtons. And that is the force Zenitsu used to jump. And then the energy, we'll calculate the energy of Zenitsu himself. So we know that the given is 58 kilogram, the gravity is 9.8 meters per second square, and the height of Zenitsu is 164.5 centimeters. Then to find the potential energy, we know that the formula is mass times gravity times height. So we have 58 times 9.8 times 164.5. And then we got the result of 932.809 joules for the potential energy of Zenitsu. For the last one, we have momentum. We'll calculate the momentum of Zenitsu jumps. So we have the given of 58 kilogram and the velocity of 47.805 meters per second. The formula of momentum is mass times velocity. So we have 58 times 38.244, which is 2,772.69 kilogram times meter per second. And this is the momentum Zenitsu took to jump. So, was my hypothesis proven to be true? From the calculations that I do, I can prove my hypothesis is right, since no human can exceed such a high force and a high acceleration in a short period of time. We know that Zenitsu acceleration is 38.244 meters per second. Though the record of the fastest person to ever exist is Usain Bolt, in which he can only accelerate between 8 meters per second square and 10 meters per second square. And then the force that can be exerted by an average human male is 400 Newton. Looking at Zenitsu's force, which is 2218.152 Newton, it just doesn't make sense. So I'll rate this scene an XP, where it's obviously physics from an unknown universe. And that's it for my project presentation. Thank you.